Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So the Vivo Nex 3 was a great looking phone with some great specs. But why didn't it end up in a lot of people's pocket? Why did it kind of disappeared? Let me answer that for you. So the Vivo Nex 3 was launched in China, India, Philippines, only the few countries. And if you living in Europe, for instance, had to order one. Cause of this problem, it didn't quite made it. So what is that special about this device? Its screen that is different from rest of your Samsung and other Android flagship devices. That full screen display with pop-up camera was just awesome to look at every single time. So the screen was 6.89 inches Super AMOLED, 1080 by 2256 pixels. So the device was powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core. The rear camera consists of a 64 megapixel wide angle plus 13 megapixel of telephoto and 13 megapixel of ultra wide lens. The front camera had motorized pop-up 16 megapixel of sensor which can be used to unlock the device. So the battery on this device is 4500 mAh and has fast charging with 44 watts charger included in the box. So if you had to get one now, you just have to pay around 500 euros, which is not bad considering the price nowadays you have to pay to buy a smartphone. The waterfall screen is not for everyone, but after saying that, one will definitely enjoy the big size. Watching video content is just awesome. My only complaint is that the phone didn't have dual speakers, but after saying that, the mono bottom firing speaker is good enough. So if you want something different rather than the same old design you get on every single smartphone out there, definitely go for it. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.